In the idea that we are all one, I'm hoping you can remember when you first started learning about history and you learned about Egypt, maybe in religion, and you started hearing about our history and you were confused why people had slaves and why people wore white wigs and why people did things. And if you can be sensitive enough to know, back then you had a knowing. And your knowing was not conventional. In fact, conventional thinking was backwards. And you had a duality of not knowing and then picking up what other people were telling you of what life is. And along the way, we started listening to other people and stopped listening to ourselves. The greater truth within every human being is the essence of life that knows life is very vulnerable and we all only have a few years to figure it out. Imagine if we could support each other, and if we can't support, then we don't do anything. But what we try to do mostly is to not harm life. If we all could go back to when we were in elementary school and use our sensitivity in the now and use the fact that we still don't know. Our ego is that part of us that tells us what things are and rationalizes why history is the way it is and why people have to do this and be conquered, and all that is bullshit. The essence of life, you still know it's never left you, and it never will. No matter what you believe, when you're not thinking, you know. And if you can sit with not thinking, you may discover the truth. Is you don't know anything. All you know is the now. And knowing that, we may stop believing our adult minds and start doing what is needed in the now. Go back in time when you meditate to see the essence of life, the irony. If you look into your water, you may stop wondering why and start desiring to learn how to fly. Check my app out, But or Fly, Butorfly. You can keep thinking but, or in the now, you can choose to learn how to fly. Look for the key, which is a start at the end. Aloha.